Sherwin-Williams presents the Design Collection with 10 of the best gray shades, specially curated to meet the needs of modern home design. Each color carries its own beauty and uniqueness, from calming soft tones to deep, character-rich hues. Let's go through them, one by one, and see how these shades can transform your space into something more elegant and refined. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss more inspiring design ideas. Let's get started. Number 1. Gray Heron from Sherwin-Williams. Gray Heron is a neutral gray with soft undertones that is highly versatile. This color is ideal as a main wall shade, providing a calming yet elegant backdrop. In addition, Gray Heron also works beautifully as an accent on small details such as open shelving, doors, or trim, adding a subtle yet refined touch. Number 2. Vessel from Sherwin-Williams. Vessel features a neutral gray tone with a cool undertone. This color brings a refreshing and calming feel, making it perfect for living rooms or relaxation spaces. With its softness, Vessel also works effectively as an accent wall, creating a harmonious visual transition without appearing overwhelming. Number 3. Touch of Gray from Sherwin-Williams. Touch of Gray is a medium gray with a more defined character. Its solid impression makes it an excellent backdrop for modern furniture with clean lines. In addition, when used on an accent wall, it can add visual depth that enhances the room's design without making it feel heavy. Number 4. Skipping Rocks from Sherwin-Williams. Inspired by the stability of river stones, Skipping Rocks is a medium gray that brings a sense of balance and warmth. This color is perfect for modern living rooms that prioritize both comfort and beauty. When paired with wooden elements or neutral-colored furniture, Skipping Rocks can create a natural and calming atmosphere. Number 5. Allegory from Sherwin-Williams. Allegory presents a cool gray tone with medium to dark depth. This color exudes elegant sophistication, making it an ideal choice for a home office or study space. With the right lighting, Allegory can help create a focused and professional atmosphere without losing the warmth of home. Number 6. Going Gray from Sherwin-Williams. Going Gray is a versatile, solid gray. One of its greatest strengths is its ability to pair beautifully with bright whites, creating a clean and captivating modern minimalist style. This color can be applied to almost any room, from bedrooms and kitchens to living spaces, for a consistent and stylish result. Number 7. Storm Warning from Sherwin-Williams. As its name suggests, Storm Warning delivers a dramatic feel with deep gray tones. This color is highly effective when used as an accent wall or on doors to create a striking modern contrast. With the addition of bright-colored decor, Storm Warning can elegantly highlight the character of a room. Number 8. Intrepid Gray from Sherwin-Williams. Intrepid Gray is a dark gray with strong visual impact. This color is ideal for modern structural elements such as concrete walls, pillars, or focal areas within a room. With its bold character, Intrepid Gray makes a striking design statement without losing its neutral appeal. Number 9. Autonomous from Sherwin-Williams. Autonomous comes as a refined charcoal gray, almost resembling true charcoal. This color conveys a bold, mysterious, and luxurious impression. Despite its darkness, its neutral nature makes Autonomous easy to pair with other shades, especially metallics, whites, or natural woods. It is perfect for modern bedrooms or entertainment spaces with an exclusive ambiance. Number 10. Castlegate from Sherwin-Williams. Castlegate is a deep gray that carries both a classic and modern aura. Its elegance makes it a perfect choice for architectural details such as moldings, door frames, or wall panels. When paired with warm lighting, Castlegate adds artistic depth and brings a sophisticated atmosphere to the home. Sherwin-Williams' collection of gray shades proves that neutrals don't have to be boring. From calming soft tones to rich, character-filled hues, gray offers exceptional design flexibility. For those designing or updating a modern home, these 10 color choices can serve as inspiration to create spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also comfortable and refined. With the right combinations, your home will look elegant, functional, and warmly inviting.